Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Yesenia, if you did not already know. Today I'm gonna be bringing you guys this look. I was inspired by myself. I just thought I would come here for you guys and show you some dramatic looks that I actually do and what I do. So I'm not gonna be showing you guys my whole face. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my eyes. So if you guys like the way I do my eyes with glitter, if you guys are ready to see how I do this look, then stay tuned and yeah, see you soon. So I'm gonna start out with the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm gonna go in first with this one right here. This one is called Jax, I believe. So all I'm gonna do is just pack it on. It might look crazy at first, but you'll see a good result when you are done packing it on. So just pack it. I'm gonna grab a transition shade, and I'm probably gonna go in with this one. It doesn't look so crazy. Like so. I'm gonna do a little more. You gotta be really patient with this. So that's the way I want it to look. So now the transition shade, I'm telling you, helps a lot. You just put it so it doesn't all look even colored. You just do that so that this comes out lighter than this dark toned one. One of these, this is the Jaclyn Hill JH61. It's like a little flat brush. I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Brilliance. This one is in 05. And then the NYX Glitter Primer. And all I'm going to do is you can either cut your crease or you can just dab it on. So all I'm going to do is some on my lid. Oh. And just now with this you need to be careful. You need to put the glue where you want it to go. So with me, I want my glue to be all over here. You kind of need to do this fast because then it starts to dry. So you just dab it on there. Little by little, but fast, so that the glue does not start secando, because when it does, you're shit out of luck. So I'm just kind of gonna start going like this so that glitter starts kind of blending into my makeup, into my eyeshadow. Grab that red one more time, but to make it darker, I'm gonna grab a little bit of this brown, and all I'm gonna do is kind of just have it blend in. So with the glitter, the first time. This one is the Anastasia brush, and literally all I'm gonna do is grab the little stubby part and start just kind of blending it in. So then now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna put my lashes on. So let me do the other side. So I put my lashes on. These are humongous, but they come with a dramatic look, especially if you're doing glitter. You're gonna want some dramatic ass lashes. So I'm gonna go back in with the color, and all I'm gonna do is kind of dab it on the bottom like so. So that's the end of it, my loves. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.